It used to be just
Yeah.
more or less joining the dots, and then we got to into the mid-90s where we had computer motherboards and things where we were pushing clock speeds over 100 megahertz.
Right.
And signal integrity became an issue, so electrical engineers had to develop a deeper understanding of transmission lines as they apply to printed circuit boards. So there's engineering knowledge there and signals and systems, but then how do you manufacture something? And we've just kept pushing the envelope. Every generation of new chips that comes out.
We push the envelope, and at the same time, again, from my perspective of manufacturing, we're pushing the envelope, but only having really nominal, iterative improvements to the manufacturing process. So, I always say we keep breaking these, what we say are unbreakable boundaries. We're saying, oh, that can't be done. A 4 mil line can't be done. Well, we do that all the time now.
Yeah.
Right? But there was a time we said that can't be done. But we'll get whatever. I think laser direct imaging was a huge step forward.
Yeah.
I think laser drilling was a big step forward.
Amazing, yeah.
So, but again, it's not like we came up with a whole new thing. It's an iterative thing on mechanical drilling, is now we do it with the laser so it can be smaller, more precise. But it's so, there hasn't been on the manufacturing side. We talk a lot now about printed electronics or doing additive. That would be a major leap forward if we could do that at production level. And I think we're getting there.
Yeah.
But
it's just a matter of time.